subscribe, support, stay positive.
So folks, I'm in the boiler room right now. It's not part of my vlog, this is just your ordinary video. It's just average, and I'm just out here, and you know, just hanging out. What's up, man?
How you doing, young man?
Doing good.
Everybody told you like Jack Black.
You mind if I have you? You mind if I turn my camera around?
You can't turn it on me, bro. I ain't down for all that.
I make
Warrants.
videos.
I got criminals. Nah, I'm just playing, my nigga. You put it on me.
I make videos on YouTube. My name is Tommy NC 2010.
How you doing, Tommy? I'm on here with Jack Black. Goddamn Kung Fu Panda.
That's what everybody says to me. I look like. Dude, you know who you remind me of, honestly?
Yes, sir.
The rapper that said it died a long time ago. The
Biggie Small.
Biggie Smalls.
That's right. I like it. Ooh. You remind me of that dude on the Blues Traveler. Y'all watch the Blues Traveler dude with the harmonica. That's it.
What did you guys think of my rhyme over there, man?
Oh, it sounded real crazy, real Brompton material.
Yeah,
Where you from?
I'm from here, originally from Orlando, Florida. But
I used to live out
Nah,
there.
that sounded good, bro. You really
I used to
did.
live in North OBT. Cypress Point, Rosemont.
When I was little, I had an
Colonial
OBGYN.
yeah, I lived in Martish Road, near Martish Road, around that area.
What you say, you OBT? Yeah, when I was little.
Central Orlando.
When I was little, I had an OBGYN.
Huh?
Yeah, my little brother said that now.
That shit's smooth.
Yeah, I tell you that OBGYN though.
Well, it's nice meeting you, gentlemen.
That's good, yeah, I just a joke, bro. It's good, James.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Hey, you trying to shake that?
Oh, what's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Excuse my rizzle. A tizzle.
All right.
Alright.
I'm Funktaculous 3 ways. 1, I'm Funktaculous. 2, my rhymes dig. And 3, you already know the rest. I just left you confused.
There it is.
That's my style. Only 3 ways. That's my hand gesture right there. Only 3 ways.
3 ways, baby. Jack Black, boy.
Only
Tenacious D, baby. Tenacious
3 ways, baby.
One thing also, it's like 3 ways I can make love to a woman. Another way.
Hey, I'm good, man. I thought you didn't make love to women. I really did. That's wonderful. You just changed my opinion.
Oh, so you wait a minute. So automatically you got this. You got the appearance of I was gay.
Yes, I did. Yes, sir. Newport.
No, man, I'm
That's like
straight.
y'all happy. I did. So, yeah. Not to say there's anything wrong with that, but you just had threw me off.
Well, you have a great day, man.
Yeah, I'm good.
What's up? We be in the boiler room, folks.
Dance like I'm preaching. See the area, we dance a little different. They bounce to Dizzle, the West Coast. Get stupid. Come up with Drizzle. Call a hospital. He's hiding his emotions. He's getting stupid in his lungs. Is the stove still open? We need healing, that privilege stain. And that I mean, all in the road. Like you, S-T-U-P-I-D. T-U-P-I-D. When we go to the club, we don't need ID.
Check it out. Yo, 1992 begins a new age for the blood zone, you know what I'm saying? The saga of the Philly blood continues. The flavors of P-Funk, y'all. Get with it. Check it out. Check out a new type of gimmick which is splendid. Sit shit down with other shit, let's see if you're down with this. It's about strictly trying to roll a blunt when you get the hang of it, you carry more blunts than you want. First of all, you get a fat bag of jizzle.